What it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy, 2 Y's, back with a banger, broski. First off, man, before we get into the meat and potatoes, cause y'all know I love to get straight to the meat and potatoes, man. We done hit 1 million views, broski, collectively over all our videos. We've accumulated 1 million views, man. So shout out to y'all, broski. The mob is real, bro. Our reach is strong. You know what I'm saying? We touching base out there. We making some footwork out here in the game, man. You know what I mean? 1 million views, that's real big. That's really big, man. So major shout out to y'all. I asked the homies on IG, like, broski, if we hit 1 million views, what the hell should we do? What should we do? A whole bunch of suggestions here and there. Mostly giveaways, but you know what I'm saying? Y'all already know we're gonna do a giveaway as soon as we hit 10K, man. So if you ain't subscribed, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you do like all my day ones, OGs, and my youngest and the new members alike, bro. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, man. My about welcome to the motherfucking fam, dog. You know what I'm saying? We trying to hit this 10K by the summertime so we can get the giveaway out the way and keep everything moving. You know what I'm saying? So the sooner the better on that. For real, bro. Appreciate y'all who been rocking with me for day one. Y'all know it's been a rocky road, man. A rough ass ride, ups and downs along the whole way. But we gotta keep it mobbing, man. We gotta keep pushing, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro, 1 million views, bro. That's crazy on the mob. And like I said, we're trying to figure out what we was gonna do. The giveaway for sure at 10K. But I came up with some hard ass t-shirts for the mob, bro. Foreverhot.com will be back. You know what I'm saying? I changed it. I wanted to have it as an online boutique and consistently, like, you know what I mean, constantly have it updated with hard ass pieces and vintage pieces. But on top of losing one of my cameras, I also, you know what I mean, we went down to 1 car, so I wasn't able to ride around how I want to throughout the day. That's also another reason why I'm solely doing YouTube right now, man. We only got 1 car. Mama better be needing a car to get back and forth to work. You know what I'm saying? So, just had to minimize and maximize with what I got, broski. And that's what led us right here. All this shit just been because of that. You know what I'm saying? Making a way out of nothing, broski. We done got up to here. Some tees coming for y'all, bro. I got some hard ass t-shirts. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna pop them joints up. Some real life mob and shit. Quick strikes that will only be available for 2 weeks. Made to order. I did want to go to come up with the black mob only tees for y'all, and those are coming too. That's gonna be on the next drop. This drop right here, I'm just gonna drop the Become Rivals tee and the Day Ones tee, man, inspired by my childhood, bro. The Allen Iverson Jordan Cross. Come on, man. That shit replays in my head at least once a day, every day, since it happened. And the Hot Boys, bro, I listen to somebody from Cash Money Records or something from that Cash Money cloth at least once every day. Even if it's Drake, you know what I mean, on down to the Young Money, something Cash Money getting played. The picture on the t-shirt is where it all started. But yeah, man, we're gonna mob that joint out. That shit gonna be hard. Size is gonna be made to order, so everybody who wants one gonna get them. They're gonna be 30 bucks a piece, and Forever Hot is launching June 1st. I'm shooting for June 1st, so we can drop the tees beside the album. Mob only album, y'all know that's coming. I've been telling y'all, wait on it. I've been just, you know what I mean. I gotta rebuild, for one, I gotta rebuild my studio, cause my computer, the computer that I record on, the motherfucker legit turns on what it want to, bro. Like, I got it on now and I just gotta keep it on, but if it so happens to power off, it's not gonna come back on until it want to, bro. So, in the process, trying to record like that, my recording process is all the way fucked up, but I do got an album worth of music already ready to go. I just want to put like 1 or 2 more bangers on there, you know what I mean? I want 1 more joint just to ride to real hard, and I gotta hit it with a mob only anthem, like, you know what I mean? You know, every project that I drop, for those who listen to the music, I make sure I got some mob, like a real life mob only anthem on that joint every time. So I'm just waiting on that one. You know what I mean? Come up with that mob only anthem for this shit. Drop one more to ride out to. And it should be done by June 1st. So boom, there you go, t-shirts. Got your album, both of them June 1st. You know what I mean? That's just off 1 million views. Had to do it. I was gonna quit the rap shit for real. Y'all see I got experimenting with other people's music with my background music and shit. Like, I became more of a fan again. Like, I really became a fan of music again. So I stepped back from trying to be an artist and a producer and all that shit. Just make sure I kept me some clean ass background music for my B-roll. You know what I'm saying? I stay sharp with my beat making so I can keep that hard ass background music for y'all. But yeah, album coming, dog. So you ain't gonna have to wait on that no more. Jordan 1 pre-orders. GA. Them shadow pre-orders, they locked in this time. This time I am not selling my app reservation slots, bro. Like, the pre-orders are guaranteed slots. I got 2 men's sizes left and 2 kids left. I had 3 men's and 2 kids, but one of the men's sizes sold already, bro. So do not sleep. You know what I'm saying? App reservation should be open. You should be able to try to lock in. And if your reservation game ain't strong, bro, you know I got you. You know what I'm saying? These slots are secured. All what I'm putting in on app reservations right now, I'm just trying to get extra pass for launch day. So, you know what I'm saying? If somebody did take a L and try to wait last minute, I may or may not have a size for you. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm doing with the app reservation, but and to get my pair, of course. But hell yeah, man, if y'all need a guaranteed, need your size guaranteed, $250 PayPal gifted, $265 PayPal invoice. I'ma take care of you, bro. I would need the cash before Thursday. Your shoes will be shipped out Saturday before the post office closed. You know what I'm saying? 2-day priority shipping on that. And yeah, broski, I'ma take care of you, man. You know what I'm saying? Ask my homies in the past, I look out, bro. I do good business, and yeah, man, you're gonna get your shit for sure, for sure. Jordan 1 pre-order, bang. Shadow 1 pre-order, got that taken care of. You know what I'm saying? Hit your boy if you need me. If it's anything, let me see if it's anything else, cause I feel like I'm missing something, bro. It's really a lot going on right now, G. And I wanna keep y'all posted. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, the house. We got did the inspection for the house. Everything looking good and everything on the up and up. The only thing that need to be repaired is like really minor stuff that we can go in there with a screwdriver ourselves and fix. So yeah, broski, the house is good to go. Y'all gonna see that the moving vids, us moving in, you know what I'm saying? Empty house tour, y'all gonna get to see us furnish the joint. You know what I'm saying? Rooster gonna be on deck like next week. Week after next, Rooster. Within 2 weeks, my son's gonna be here, bro. So, hey, man, bangers on the way. And like I said, new channels coming. Cause Mama Bear wanna start her channel as soon as, like, her channel's gonna be started when she goes on the label. As soon as her water break, look out for Mama Bear channel, cause that's gonna be her first video. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, we just gonna open it up, bro. We really finna mob out and see how much of an impact we can make on the culture, man, and really lead gems and drop some good jewels on the game. Finna be some good stuff going on, bro. So yeah, house good to go. Ooh, new pickups, man. I'm sitting here rocking this sauce for y'all. I ain't even let y'all know what's going on, what I got on, man. Y'all see this little get up right here, bro. My homies over there at Soul Food Kicks, man, they cooking up, man. Oh, man, PG2s. OG checking them out. We in the shop today. 757 Hype Beast Heaven. You know what I mean? Soul Food Kicks. Man, he trying on the PG2s. Got them lit up for y'all boys. How they feeling on foot, OG?
Oh, man. They feel great. Feel like a sock.
Oh yeah, it's always good.
And I never had on PGs, so I didn't know what they felt like, but
yeah,
these right here feel good and they look good.
How it feel up around the toe? It look like they cut a little narrow going up towards the toe.
They more narrow in here, like
the midfoot.
But here it's a lot more space. Plus you gotta get them in your size too. Don't try to take the insole out, baby. They
Right.
look right.
Right.
But yeah, they definitely a baller shoe.
Oh yeah.
But these right here, man, would turn some heads for real.
Oh man, yeah, you rocking and shocking already, bro.
Good Lord.
Whoo, yeah.
I gotta check these out.
PlayStation PG2s, brother.
Tell you people, man.
Oh yeah, appreciate you,
Real.
OG.
No doubt.
Yeah.
No doubt.
Trying to bust it, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, man, that man got that
work,
tag,
you know what I'm saying? Listen,
I'm trying to work at Dairy
I didn't
Queen
even plan
now.
to spend no money today.
They know you get
Bro, you can get me in here, bro.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
man.
Tay Bands Part 2.
Yeah, man. Hey, 310. Let me see.
Young boys count money here, man.
Man, you already know, man.
Yo, box my man's up, dude. You looking in amazement like my man ain't supposed to have no paper, you know what I'm saying? Nigga getting money, you know what I'm saying?
And I'm bumming.
All your money in your pocket, money.
Yeah, you already know, man. Coming out here, man, blowing bad,
Going bad, bro.
We done
Tay
this,
got
man.
bands. Tay got bands. You heard it here first. A. Shapiro said Tay got bands.
You already know, man. Hey, we really do this, man. Let me pull it back out. Pull it back out for him, man.
They cooking up, broski. And every time they drop something, you know what I'm saying? I just try to get me. Y'all know I gotta get me. And they look out for me, so I definitely appreciate it. Shout out to my guys over there, Soul Food, the Winter Circle, Rotate Gang, man. The Rotate Boys always in the building, man. Shout out to my guys. Bless me with this joint right here. You know what I'm saying? Kicks on fire. Hey. Look at that, boy. They dropped this. I think this was the last colorway they dropped, and I don't have this one. Y'all already know I'm gonna rock this with the one with the gold toes. That's gonna be pretty lit. You know what I mean? Let me know if y'all want to see some fit of the days, bro. I kind of want to start doing those again. Those pretty tough. I wanted to go outside and get like a on body of all these pieces. You know what I mean? Put on fits and just show it and drop it in a B-roll. But it's cold as shit, broski. And I really can't flex the pieces how I want to, because I'm going to put it on a gang of shit y'all already seen. My big ass black helicoat, you know what I mean? Some jeans or whatever. And I ain't going to be able to, like, do the pieces justice if I put them on body for y'all right now. So that's why I say, if y'all want to see a fucking fit of the day type deal, I got you, bro. Or like a spring lookbook. Yeah, spring lookbook. You know what I mean? Shout out to Just Win, all the fashion cats out there, you know what I mean? I fucks with the fashion, bro. We dropping t-shirts. I'm showing y'all gear all the time. I really fucks with this fashion shit. So let me know if y'all want to see my spring lookbook. And I drop some fits for y'all as soon as the weather get right. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get to see all these new pieces on body as well. This tee. What else I got new? What else that boy got? Hey, you know I had to look at, I had to shop with my sample boys. Got me some of them water bottles. These gonna look dope as hell in the office, and I'm gonna keep one strapped on me when I'm out skating. You know what I'm saying? So I can stay hydrated. So yeah, man. Had to, what I was gonna do, I was gonna like go for a clickbait title and be like, YouTubers merch versus Supreme accessories, or Supreme accessories versus Shoetubers accessories, some corny ass shit like that. But you know what I mean, I'm really not creative enough for the clickbait titles and how the shit work. If I try to clickbait y'all, it's gonna come out goofy as fuck. So that's why I just stick to the script, tell y'all what's going on, and goddamn when the camera come on, I try to jump straight to the meat and potatoes, bro. You know what I mean? If y'all can tell by now, I'm not an actor, bro. I'm a regular person, you know what I'm saying? It's a whole lot of YouTubers, and they're really, really good at separating their real life from the camera. Me, not so much, bro. I'm the same person on and off the camera all the time. You know what I mean? What you see right here is what you gonna get. So, you know what I'm saying? Hey, but I'm very supportive, man. I'm a really, really good cat. Very, very supportive, man. And I support the guys who did shit before I did it. And the best way to show my support is to, you know what I mean, show my support. So, hey, these shit's hard too anyway, you know what I mean? I'm not just buying shit because it's sample and because it's Bull and Tony, or when I shop with these YouTube, I'm not just buying it because of their name. It's like I really fuck with the products. I've been wanting these bottles, and I'm glad they never sold out. And if I'm not mistaken, the prices might have dropped on them. You know what I mean? I realized I could get them both for 16 bucks, and I hopped on it. And at one point, I think they was running like 16 a piece. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. The rest of my sample boys out there, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Hey, I fucks with accessories, man. I'm had the office tricked out with dope ass accessories, so I had to get it. What else I got? I got Supreme shit. The Supreme shit I'm finna show y'all. Hey, got a backpack, man. You know what I mean? You know the fucker stole my other bag that be hanging up right there that I had the camera in. You know what I'm saying? But hey, broski, guess what? It ended up working out just fine, cause you know what I mean? I had to put in a police report or whatever, just so I can make sure we can put in a claim for the insurance and everything come back right. So insurance gonna handle it. I didn't fucking want to, but I had to call the Jakes, man. You know it's always fuck 12, but sometimes, you know what I mean, it can't be fuck 12. You really have to goddamn, you know what I mean? Police help sometimes. So yeah, we had to make that motherfucking police report, bro. And hopefully in a couple days I had a camera back in the new bag. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I was more or less tripping on the camera. Like, fuck the bag. I buy a Supreme bag whenever I feel like it. See? I caught this one off a restock too. Retail boys on deck, did not pay resale, G. Got a little Supreme logo right there, branded, but oh no, did not pay resale. And Mama Bear done took it already. It's Rooster diaper bag. I can't even rock this joint until Rooster no longer wears diapers, cause you know what I mean? Mama Bear done claimed it. She gonna keep the bottles and the wipes and you know what I mean, all that in here. So I'm fine with that too. That's pretty swaggy if you ask me. And my dog Rooster, man, you know I had to get my dog Rooster something, bro. Hold on real quick. It's back in the room. I gotta run to go get it. But y'all know I had to get my dog in the game, man. Had to get young Rooster something. He got a champion set already, and I'm not sure if I showed y'all, but he got a whole champion sweatsuit, a gray champion joint, top and bottom, sweatpants with the little hoodie that come with it. And I got him this right here. We ain't got him no kick shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm real selective about what I want his first pair of shoes to be. Y'all already know I'm about to grab my little guy some Yeezys, G, but you know what I'm saying? It's, hey, I don't know yet. What y'all think Rooster first pair of shoes gonna be, man? Cause I wanna get my little broski some bangers, bro. You know what I mean? I wanna get my little G some heat. Y'all leave that in the comment box below. And yeah, I think that's everything, bro. Y'all can pre-order with me with the Jordans. New tees coming June 1st. And if you mob get first dibs. And if you mob, I know you still watching right now. You know what I mean? If you like those tees, you can order them right now, made to order. PayPal me, bro. I send my homie his cut. He gonna press them out, ship them out to you. You gonna get your shit, bro, before they drop. As far as the colors, I'm doing in white, red, and green. So, you know what I mean? Imagine the same shirt with either white, red, or green. And if you really, really want it, you can order that joint right now, broski. You know what I mean? Hit me up on IG and set it up. DaveyMcFlyy. And I'll get your tee to you before they drop. Cause when they drop June 1st, right beside the album, they're only gonna be available for 2 weeks, G. So if you really, really want one, go ahead and get it now. You know what I'm saying? You can. If you mob, of course. Cause you've been watching this far. But yeah. Shirts, album, Jordan 1s. Y'all see the new shit. Rooster new shit. New house shit, bro. Stay posted, man. A lot going on, man. I'm off for my family, yours, G.